Hi there, another video from Tapmagician showing you how to change the cartridge on a Franke Olympus Tap. Same as always, firstly we need to remove the handle. This is held in place by a 2mm Allen key, which is located opposite the direction of the handle. Remove or loosen the grub screw, turning it anti-clockwise, and then the handle should be released. Sometimes these are quite difficult to get off, but as long as you've taken out that or loosened off that grub screw, it will come off. Set aside the handle. We then need to remove this covering cap, which just screws anti-clockwise, exposing the cartridge. There is two parts to this cartridge, a bush and then the cartridge. Sometimes the cartridge will come away from the bush, sometimes it doesn't. If it doesn't, you can still get the bush from Tapmagician. Undo the valve, anti-clockwise again, with an adjustable spanner, releasing the cartridge. In this case, the bush is coming with it. Obviously making sure you turn the water off at this stage, otherwise you might get a fright. So here is the old cartridge and the bush is on there. Now these can be really difficult to get apart, so my advice would be to purchase both the cartridge and the bush, which is one I've got here. That one is just not going to come apart. So with both of them, firstly what you want to do is screw the cartridge into the bush, like so, and then screwing the whole assembly back into the tap body, clockwise, and then tighten up with your spanner until quite firm. Then we need to repeat the process in reverse. On goes over the concealing cover and the handle, making sure we've got them aligned. And that's that. Tighten back up the 2mm Allen key. And that should be the valve successfully changed. We should try with turn the water on and see if we've done it correctly. And that's the valve successfully changed. Thanks for watching Tapmagician.